Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on a Dell laptop. First, verify your Dell laptop meets Valorant system requirements. You will need a 64-bit version of Windows 10 or 11, at least 4 GB of RAM, and 15 GB of available storage space. A processor equivalent to an Intel Core i3-370M and a GPU like an Intel HD 3000 are generally sufficient for basic play. Checking these specifications ensures a smoother gaming experience from the start. Once your system is ready, navigate to the official Riot Games website to download the Valorant installer. Always download from the official source to avoid security risks. Run the downloaded file as an administrator, then simply follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You will also need to create a free Riot Games account or log in if you already have one to access the game. To enhance your Valorant experience, ensure your Dell laptop's graphics drivers are fully updated. This can significantly improve frame rates and stability. Within the game, consider lowering your video settings, such as resolution or graphics quality, to reduce the strain on your system. Additionally, close any background applications or browser tabs that consume significant resources, allowing Valorant to utilize more of your laptop's power. If you encounter issues, a simple restart of your Dell laptop and internet router can often resolve common connectivity problems. If the game still isn't running smoothly, use the Riot client to verify the integrity of Valorant's game files. This can fix corrupted data. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your game, and good luck on the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.